What's going on, YouTube? This Big B with the XXT. I'm back with another video today on my Alpena exterior light kit that I got installed. I bought this kit here from Walmart for probably about like 70 bucks, I think it was. Had to spend a couple dollars on like the extra extensions and the little wire connectors and everything, the hard wire to the car. But other than that, pretty easy install, and I think it looks good. Tell me what you guys think. Here we go. That's that Alpena light kit right there. Full walk around. It's pretty simple to install. You just have to clean, make sure you got clearance with your wires, everything like that, to make it really go. Back was a little bit hard. I had to get extensions because the car was so long that what they sent wasn't quite enough. So I had to get extensions and make it go longer, but it worked out. Side, you can even see the back through the tires. I love it. It's the front. Just a full profile. Yeah. I also went ahead and got the inside did too. Yeah, and it's the inside. You can see it ain't the cleanest right now, but it's just a little quick show what the inside is looking like. Front and back. What's going on with that one? There you go. The rug was in the way. Kids being here, so they be messing with stuff. But yeah, I just want to give y'all a quick show what them lights look like. Like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think. Yes or no. And I know it ain't everybody's style, but it's mine. I like it. It's my car. I do what I want with it. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to me. I got more content coming. For right now, I'm out. Yeah.